बराह रास्त लिए चलते हैं। इस वक्त वज़ीर आला मुराद शाह तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
It brings jobs and homes to men. Then it elevates the standards of living and adds to the comfort of life. That is the engineer's high privilege. The great liability of the engineer compared to men of other profession is that his works are out in the open where all can see them. His acts, step by step, are in hard substance. He cannot bury his mistakes in the grave like the doctors. He cannot argue them in thin air or blame the judge like the lawyers. He cannot, like the politician, screen his shortcomings by blaming his opponents and hope that the people will forget. The engineer simply cannot deny that he did it. On the other hand, unlike the doctor, he is not a life among the weak. Unlike the soldier, destruction is not his purpose. Unlike the lawyer, quarrels are not his daily bread. To the engineer falls the job of clothing the bare bones of science with life, comfort, and hope. No doubt, as years go by, people forget which engineer did it, even if they ever knew. Or some politician put his name on it. Or they credit it to some promoter who used other people's money with which to finance it. But the engineer himself looks back at the unending stream of goodness which flows from the successes with satisfaction that few professions may know. And the verdict of his fellow professionals is all the accolade he wants. So, class of 2025, congratulations. May your future be bright, your impact be meaningful, and your journey be filled with purpose. Thank you very much. Pakistan Zindabad.
कराची में वज़ीर आला मुराद शाह तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे थे। पास होने वाले तुलबा को वज़ीर आला की जानिब से मुबारकबाद पेश की गई।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।